To enhance your gaming experience in CS2, adjusting the graphics settings can help improve performance on lower-end systems. Follow these steps to reduce the graphics settings effectively. Step 1. Launch the game. Open CS2 on your computer and wait for the main menu to load completely. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to the settings menu by clicking on the gear icon or the settings option in the main menu. Step 3. Select graphics settings. In the settings menu, find and select the graphics tab to access the graphics options available for adjustment. Step 4. Adjust graphics quality. Look for the graphics quality or similar option. Lower the quality settings by selecting a lower preset such as low or medium to reduce the overall graphical load. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save the changes by clicking the Apply or Save button before exiting the settings menu. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in performance, allowing for a smoother gaming experience. Enjoy your time in CS2.